Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video, I just want to say David Hood, one American guy. He liked Christianity, but he don't know how they make Christianity. Introduction. Starting, what happened when Jesus was in this earth. That time Christianity is not present. Even he not proclaimed he is a God or son like. David Hood, bala bala, he talking too much. He is screaming, yelling and shouting because in Pakistan, 13-year-old girl deliberately force her and they changed religion, Christianity to Islam. After that, the guy, 40-year-old man, he married her. And we don't know how he got that certificate. She is 18-year-old like. So in India, in Pakistan, in Sri Lanka, what happened? Christianity, how they came over there after 2,000 years. Now you can count 6% in Christianity in India, 2% in Pakistan, 2% in Bangladesh, 2% in Sri Lanka. So Asian religion, Buddhism, Asian religion is the Hinduism. No doubt is that. But how they introduce Christianity? They give to money, missionary people. They convert. Okay, don't trust me. Watch movie. PK, one Indian movie, very famous, Amir Khan movie. Director Hirwani, he make that movie. Vidhu Vinod Chopra produce. So this movie they show who is the God, which God we have to be pray. They insult Hinduism, they insult even Islam, they insult Christianity also. This movie, PK, you have to be watch. So you can understand Christianity missionary over there in India, they give to money. How they give to money? First, they convince ministers, state ministers, leaders, political leaders. They give to corruption like money first. We want to be spread our religion. Can you give it a chance? So they ask money over there. This is famous story in India. Every single educated people know that. How they bring over there, they brought over there Christianity because of money. Go and survey, research. Honestly, I am telling you. Okay, now I want to be convinced Christians, you not understand Prophet Jesus. Allah sent as a prophet. So Jesus was in this earth. That time Jewish says, "O Mary," polite way. In the Quran, Allah give it to us the story. Very polite, broad-minded like Allah give it to. But Jewish says, "O Mary, where you brought this kid? Oh, your father such a honest person, gentleman. Your mother such a nice woman. And they're very good, respectable personalities in our society, in our clan. But you did it very wrong," this is, to Mary. Without marriage you brought this kid. You are bitch, inverse, indirect. And your son is a bastard, indirect. They want to be say that. But Jewish, they use this word for bitch, Mother Mary. Jewish use bastard word for Jesus. I heard that in my ears. I am witness. 1989, I was in 3rd Avenue. There is one bank, 86th Street. Manhattan Bank, those days. So front of one guy, he put Mary statue over there. He begging or he giving missionary work, I don't know that. But statue on the floor side, and one Jewish guy came and he kicked out with his foot. He said, she is a bitch. And the guy, whoever is stay over there, he didn't say anything. And he used bad words for him. Why you brought bitch here? He says, her son is a bastard, Jesus. And he wants to be beat him like, he become crazy. I saw that. One more story in India, when they give to the money for Hindus, lower caste Hindus in villages, one lady I know, she sell vegetables, she keep all, vegetables in my home. In the morning she come and pick up and she go in the market, in the bazaar. And she sit over there and she sell and she bring back whatever left vegetable she wants to keep in my home. So her name is Lakshmi. So when I went India, 1996, I call her, oh Lakshmi. She said, don't call me Lakshmi, my name is Mary. I say, okay. I call her Mary. So a couple of months after that, I say, oh Mary, how are you? How is your husband? Husband, he don't know. She become Christian. Husband, he don't know. She become again Hindu. He don't know nothing. She said, don't, screaming here. Don't shout. Don't make noise too much. Because my husband stay your front of home. Because in my religion, we not give to permission to man come in our home. So she is lady, she can come in our home. This is our system and custom in my India. So I call her Mary. She said, don't call me Mary now. I am again Lakshmi. Why? She said, first time they give to me money. First time they give to me, fertilizers in my agriculture, in my home. I have a water machine, motor pump they call. Now they're not giving money, so I become my religion. I go back my religion, Lakshmi, Hindu, she said. This is the way nothing value in Pakistan also. All blue collar Christians living in Pakistan. There is no value for Christianity in Pakistan. No respect Christianity in Pakistan. They all blue collar and lower caste like that. They treat like that. I'm sorry. But we have to be respect. This is our previous books. Allah says in our Quran. These two stories you can understand how this Christianity came after Allah raised him Jesus. 200 years after that, they make temples, church. Temple, church, kingdom they call. After 200 years. I mean, this religion 1800 years old like. Because first, he's only prophet. So, St. Paul's, they kick out in Jewish, in his place, in his society. They kick out him. He escaped. And he called 40 people, whoever they know, Jesus. So they know stories previous. If you say, Bible is a complete, you still Bible quotations in the Quran, this is totally wrong because Bible is not complete because Torah in there, Psalm in there, and Injil in there, 3 books in there, and there's still 40 people and they put together that 60 books, that's why they're all different. You can check that. All different names. 10 after that, one name is finished. So 60 books they have and 40 people give to that and they not present Jesus time also. After 100 years they make that. And after more 100 years after, they make temple, church and kingdom. And they have group big. Catholicism, Protestants like that, Jehovah's Witness, Mormon today new. So all this start after 200 years, Jesus. So Christians, they ask, why Muhammad came after 600? So God will that. God sent 124,000 prophets in this earth, every different countries, every different land, every different peninsula. He sent everywhere. He just want to be say God unseen, alone and eternal, worship Him. They not agree, they not accept all prophets. So Jesus also, including Moses like, David like, Abraham like, that's it. It's not a big deal like, but Davidhood like, or Zakir Naik, Ahmad Dida, Shabir Ali, or any new guys also, they're talking Christianity, but Jesus was in this, He didn't give to the Bible. I told so many times in my, I'm talking with missionary guys on the street, I told, Jesus give it to you, Bible? They said, no, inspired book. Finish. Allahu Akbar.